Alright, so this is going to be a quick little video continuation of my other one. I did a short video on the how to install the dual function daytime running lights and switchback LED turn signals. So on this truck's a little bit different. I have got this question a lot. It's pretty easy. So these headlights have the light bar thing. So some people were asking how to use that as a daytime running light, and you still use these as the two running lights turn signals. And I'll show you how I did it. It's pretty simple. You can do it yourself. If you want me to do it, I guess I could think of a price, sell you a harness. Honestly, you could probably do it yourself, and I'll link all the parts in the description. So it's easy enough for these lights. They just come with two wires coming off. So what I did is I got a 3157 pigtail, positive negative, and this is the daytime running light socket that would normally go here. So the daytime running light controls this now. And then you just get another 3157 pigtail, two 3157 sockets. You just splice them together. So just the one socket runs two bulbs. You don't need any diodes or anything, no resistors. Well, I'll take that back. You do need resistors for that, but they're still LED. But like I said in my other video, I don't like the resistors. I like the LED flasher relay. So I'll put this back together real quick and I'll show you how it looks. So an older video, I had done the 4 high mod where you jump the low beam and the high beam. I've since done the 6 high mod with that. But what I'm getting at is if you wanted to keep these daytime running lights on with the running lights, same idea. You would just need a diode and some way to tap into here. You would jump your daytime running light with, I'm guessing maybe the low, because in this instance both of them will be on. Or actually, you know what, probably jump them with your running lights park lamp. I don't know if that would be it. So something like that. I don't really care. So they turn, so my lights, this bar, whatever you want to call it, so the headlight turns off when my headlights turn on. This is just my daytime running light, which I like it that way. I don't really care to have this on at night. Maybe I'll try it out in the future, but the way it sits now, just a daytime running light. So watching the video, they actually stayed on. I'm wondering if that's because I manually put the running lights on. I guess we'll have to verify with someone else on the outside of the cab. Anyway, you can kind of see how they work. I do get questions a lot, how to get those to work with the dual bulbs. So that's how you would do it. Again, I'll put the, it's actually an Amazon link to all the parts I use. So you'll kind of go through it, but you'll find them. Yeah, pretty easy. If you want, I could make them for you, but you could probably do it yourself. Really not too bad.